here's how we can add a Face ID to the Apple Wallet. So let me explain it all. And if you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, you could subscribe because I have so many tutorials coming up and planned and already existing on this channel. And I don't want you to miss anything because I just try to be as helpful as possible. Anyways, you need to at first have the wallet app filled up with cards, right? So you can get inside and essentially make sure you set up the either Apple card or, tap the plus button and add like any credit or debit card into the wallet, right? So that's pretty obvious. But then the next step is to get to the settings app, find the Face ID and a passcode, just type the code to get inside, and you want to ensure that at first you have Face ID set up generally for like unlocking the iPhone, but as you can tell, you decide here what the Face ID is used for. So not only for the unlocking of the iPhone, but you can also choose it to be for the iTunes and App Store, or in our case, it is the contactless and payments. So when you enable it for the payments, it applies to the wallet, right? So you'll be able to just scan your face and tap the phone to pay where Apple Pay is supported. So, that is how you can set it up and make sure that it works the way that it should. I personally keep it turned on for all of the things, even a password autofill and even for some third-party apps because, I find that feature, the Face ID, to be working well. So let me know what you think below, subscribe for more videos and guides like this one, and I hopefully get to see you later in the future uploads really soon.